Here is conversation number 20. In this conversation lesson, first we will learn what is a simile. After that, we will practice in our conversation. Well, a simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two different things to highlight a shared quality using connecting words such as like, as, or, than. Examples: as busy as a bee, it is describing someone who is working very hard. Number 2, slept like a baby, it is indicating a very deep and peaceful sleep. Number 3, life is like a box of chocolates. It is a famous line from Forrest Gump suggesting life is unpredictable. Next one is as brave as a lion. It is highlighting someone's extreme courage. The question is, why use similes? Well, it is a visual imagery. They help readers create a mental picture of a description. It is an efficiency. They convey a lot of information or emotion quickly without long list of adjectives. It is an engagement. They make writing more vivid, relatable, and creative. As cool as a cucumber. We are like two peas in a pot. Jack is as wise as an owl. This pizza is as cold as ice. Freckles dotted her face like paper. Some more example. His face turned as white as snow. The baby sleeps like an angel. He runs as fast as a cheetah. Her voice as sweet as honey. The water was as clear as crystal. He fought like a tiger. She is as busy as a bee. The night was as dark as coal. He is as strong as an ox. The news spread like wildfire. Her hair shone like silk. Practice conversation number 1. Why are you running so fast? Because I run like the wind. Number 2. How was the math test? It was as easy as pie. Number 3. You look very calm today. Yes, I feel as cool as cucumber. Number 4. How did you carry such a heavy bag? I lifted it like a strong ox. Now here is a complete conversation using many similes. You look very tired today. What happened? I studied all night. My eyes feel like heavy stones. Oh no, was the exam really that hard? Honestly, it wasn't too bad. Some questions were as easy as pie, but others confused me like a maze. Same here. During the paper, my mind was as blank as a whiteboard. That happens, but when I relaxed, ideas started flowing like a river. I noticed you were writing very fast. Yes, I wrote like the wind because my time was running like sand through my fingers. After the exam, I felt as free as a bird. Me too. Now I feel as light as a feather and calm like a still lake. Let's hope our results shine like the sun. Inshallah, and next time we will prepare like hardworking ants. That's all. Thank you so much.